so I'm watching.
Smart ass. Those are going faster too.
I know.
It's getting dark though.
If it starts coming down really fast,
What's that?
okay, try to get back inside. Yeah, well, let him do his stuff. We're actually being recorded right now.
I know. Hey, you better hurry up. Haul ass.
Oh man, I can't see it. That'd be so cool.
Oh, well, he's going.
I know.
He's getting out of here.
I can't see it.
Look at that right there. How that cloud is, like over that one.
You didn't like my comment? We're under a tornado watch, so I'm watching. And birds fly by and poop on my head. This was, oh man, falling off the garbage. It looks wild. Look, it's really dark right there and light right there.
Huh?
It's dark right there and then light. We gotta save the neighbor. Here she comes. Yes, ma'am. It said it was a tornado watch, so I'm watching. So much for our newsletters. They're probably about to be gone.
So it's like a mile from here?
Yeah, about.
I'm leaving a message for Jeremy. Hey baby, I love you, and there's a tornado like a mile from the house. So in case you get this, my dying wish.
Oh man, look over there. It's like really, really dark.
And it's like really, really bad. There are funnel clouds or clouds twisting above the house. So I love you. Bye. He's gonna be like, what the fuck? He's gonna call me Megan.
Like you're being recorded too.